Hey guys, my name is Roshan, and today is going to be something special about my journey to success. Growing up, I was quite interested into the arts and crafts, which truly created an artistic mindset within me, from drawing the neighbor's dog to making more intricate designs. As my skills transitioned, I became more interested in realistic drawings. This later on became a greater part of my life, from making models of architecture to sculptures. I joined multiple art classes as well as developed my craft through mentorship from experts of arts. Around my high school years, when trying to find a new occupation or possible dream job, nothing really hit me like robotics. My school had a coding team, but I wasn't really interested in the coding itself, but what it actually programmed. Thus, I decided to join multiple robotics teams and competitions. We didn't make it that far, but what really interested me was the drive and the passion that I had for robotics. My hobbies during this time suddenly became sports and fitness. While my friends were into getting girls and their love interests, I more so did and went into fitness as well as basketball, as it really helped me sharpen my mind and be more confident throughout all strides of my life. As time progressed, I realized that I wanted to build, but not only build, but make my own market from building. So I reached into joining DECA. It was a way to understand how a workplace functions, its employees, its workers, my own coworkers, and to understand their satisfactions and how to conduct a business as an owner or a CEO. So to first understand the employee standpoint, I decided to join Co-op as a co-pharmacist in Shoppers Drug Mart. Here I would assist the pharmacist in checking stock, providing medications, and checking prescriptions for validations. Not only so, but I also did file work, and this was a place where I learned the management, responsibility, and efficiency while doing all these tasks. Then came McMaster University, currently my first year, looking forward to gain new experiences as it's the best place where I have multiple tools and assets which can help me. I've learned so much more of the theoretical perspective on the career which I'm aiming for now, which is automation engineering. To continue onwards, I've recently taken part in the DeGroote Finance Association, which has really enhanced my skills through a business or economical standpoint. Especially at McMaster, the tools that have been provided to me, such as mentors, professors, their they have taught me their life experiences, which has helped me make decisive matters in terms of my future in business. It was great talking to you all through this Pecha Kucha, and I hope everyone has understood the true gist of me. I hope that everyone knows my hobbies and my interests and really understands where I'm coming from. Before you guys leave, feel free to contact me through my email, gopalasar, GOPALASAR at mcmaster.ca, and my LinkedIn at Roshan, capital R, simple OSHAN, space, capital G, simple OPALASAMY, Roshan Gopalsamy. Hope through the Pecha Kucha, employers can now understand the real me, and you can feel free to contact me through LinkedIn for any other questions about me.